Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday, 14th of August 2021. Let's start today's video. All you remember of emergency lights that have been in the past, like this CFL light bulb, and today's video will be all about this. I'm gonna try to convert the CFL bulb into the LED bulb that works with low voltage and using white LEDs. For about $5.50 from eBay, I receive and buy Piranha LEDs, white Piranha LEDs, 100 pieces for $5.5, 5 millimeters, and these are amazing LEDs and very bright. Here are they are. These small LED 5mm chips are very bright LED diodes and I love them, and I'm gonna use a couple of them in today's project, which is converting CFL bulb into the transparent LED tube. Now I'm gonna power up with 3.1 volts just to see how bright it is. I'm giving the power with my digital power supply at 3.1 volts. This one LED is pulling around 50 milliamperes. That means that if I use 10 of these, the whole light will drain around 500 milliamperes, 50 milliamperes each. Okay. Next step is to clean the glass tube and open from one side, and doing this job needed to be outside in open space because inside the tube there is a gases and they are harmful for your health. Please use gloves because this is the glass and maybe you will be cut it. And after opening one of the side with soap and water, I wash the tube. Here it is. It's opened from one side and the other side I leave it closed. It turned out pretty cool, super clean. It's glass, remember that. You can break it very easily. And now I'm gonna proceed into making the LED strip with Piranha LEDs. I have used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 Piranha white LEDs that are soldered. All are soldered in parallel. I have not used the resistor, and that means that this rail need to be powered only with exact voltage of 3.1 and maximum is 3.3 volts. It turned out pretty amazing and I love the way and working in skeleton. I have used two copper wires for soldering all the LEDs in parallel, and on top I use the contacts from the bulb, and here is for powering the LEDs, positive and the negative. And now I'm gonna test it. Does it fit into the glass tube? Perfectly. With two component glue, I'm gonna fix the base, the metal base on the glass, and I need to be careful not to spill the glue. Okay. Just to spray it. I'm using two component glue. One is adhesive and the other is activator. Let's test the LED tube with Piranha LEDs. I'm using my digital power supply. Right now it's giving 3.1 volts. Okay. This is positive or negative. Okay. It's working. Whoa. Super bright. Just to kill the lights. Whoa. Let's see it this way. Wow. It's pulling around 450 milliamperes at 3.1 volts. And it looks super. And just to mention that with ordinary coin battery that give 3 volts, this will work. Just to find full battery. Nope, come on, man. Where is the battery? Yep, but I need a stronger battery. Where is it? I don't have it. Okay, that was all for today's video. This turned out cool. Please share and like the video. Thank you for watching. We found the battery. Look. That's it. Bye.